Hello, this is our video for the installation of our project, Advanced Video Game Rendering. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the GitHub repository, and here on the main page we're gonna click on code, download zip. We're gonna download the zip file, go where the zip file was downloaded, then we're gonna unzip the file. Then we will open the folder and click on solution. And after it opens, we will click on the green arrow that starts the program when it loads. Um, you should also see the requirements to open the program. Let's open the main file. If you want to see a build, you don't really have to. But be careful of the requirements to open the program because you need a decent computer to run the simulation. And now we can run the program. So you can see it runs, and that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching.